Piles or hemorrhoids is a very common and painful disease. In this condition, swelling occurs at the bottom of the anum and rectum. What is piles? Piles are lumps that grow in and around the anus, in the lining of the anal canal. There is a network of small veins. These veins sometimes become wider and full of blood than usual. The blocked veins and overlying tissues may then form in one or more swellings. Piles often don't cause any problem, but can cause bleeding sometimes. If it causes bleeding or pain, you should immediately see a doctor. Types of piles. Piles falls into 4 different types. This includes internal piles. They are located deep within the rectum and are therefore invisible to the naked eye. They may not cause any pain, but their presence is characterized by symptoms of bleeding through the anus. External piles. They are formed on the outer lining of the anal region and causes extreme pain by passing stools and sitting. Sometimes they may not be visible and develop like lumps. Prolapse piles. When internal piles swell and stick outside the anus, the situation is known as prolapse piles. This lumps causes discomfort or pain accompanied by itching and burning. Thrombus piles. Piles, the swollen lumps around the anus, are blood clots within the hermoid tissue. Due to the lack of blood supply to your rectal tissues, thrombus piles must be treated promptly to avoid serious complications. Symptoms of piles: bleeding from the rectum while passing stools, feeling difficulty while passing bowel movements, itching, burning, redness and swelling around the anus, unbearable pain during bowel movements. These are the symptoms of piles. What causes piles? Piles are caused due to several reasons. Some of them are watery or solid foods, low fiber diet, exercise to lift heavy objects, emotional reasons like fear of deadlines, anger of the past, afraid to let go, feeling burdened. How you can avoid piles? By doing various yogasanas, having proper intake of water, having proper diet, and by cleaning emotional reasons which are responsible for piles. So which type of yoga you should do? Pawanmuktasana or the vein relieving pose is the basic and easier way for beginners to start practice. On the regular practice of this position, it relieves gas trouble, constipation and pain due to hemorrhoids. Ashwini Mudra performed in this posture can be highly beneficial in finding relief from pain, swelling, irritation from having piles. By taking proper intake of fluids, keeping yourself hydrated will help make stools softer and easier to pass. How much water you should drink? It depends on your age, sex, and activity level. Be sure to opt for water the majority of the time. Which are the fibrous things you should eat? Cruciferous vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels, sprouts, radish, turnips, and cabbage. These are fibrous vegetables you should eat. Now, by clearing your emotional blockages, also you can reduce piles. Clearing fear of deadlines, anger of the past, afraid to let go, and feeling burdened. If you clear this, then you are going to reduce piles. So, Now we will be doing some activity using Ho'oponopono healing technique. So I want you to close your eyes and repeat with me. I take 100% responsibility for all these feelings. I'm sorry for attracting this fear of deadline. I'm sorry for storing this anger of past. I'm sorry, afraid for letting it go. I'm sorry for having this burden. Please forgive me for having this anger of past. Please forgive me for not letting go. Please forgive me for stopping this burden. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank all these feelings as they are my own part of energy. I love all these feelings. Feeling of burden, feeling of not letting go, feeling of anger of past, as they are my own part of energy. I'm sorry, dear, for having this tension. I'm sorry for having this pain of files. Please forgive me, dear pain. Please forgive me for hitting you. Please forgive me for not understanding you. Please forgive me for not letting it go off. I thank you for all these feelings which I am feeling right now. I love all these feelings as they are my own part of energy. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Today, I willingly let go of all the feelings which are stuck in my body, and I believe that I am happier and joyful, free from all the pain. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Now rub your hands and place on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. If you felt better after doing this exercise, repeat it for at least 4 to 5 days. If you require any personal support, then join us on the video given link. Namaskar.